When you go online, you will see so many videos where people are showing how you can make money with AI. This is something that has actually changed my own life. I've built so many different streams of income with AI. And in this video today, I'm going to show you one of the streams of income that you can start as a complete beginner. When I started publishing books on Amazon KDP, I used to hire people or pay people to be able to create books for me. I didn't even know where to start. But now with AI, things have completely changed. I'm going to show you how to create this book that will help you to be able to make money on Amazon KDP just by using AI. So if you come here to Publisher Rocket, for you to be able to know if this book is actually doing well, I have a link for Publisher Rocket down below. It's a paid tool. So it is dot to dot. Now, one of the things is that there are so many people creating line journals, and line journal has populated Amazon, and because of that, the sales has really gone to people who already have so many reviews. If we create line journals now and we don't put so much effort in it to make it high quality, then we are not able to get enough sales, right? But when it comes to something like dot to dot, it's not saturated. So this is something that any beginner can start, especially if you follow the steps I'm going to show you. You will see how you can easily start making money. So when we come here on Publisher Rocket, I'm going to type dot to dot, and I'm just going to search like this. So now I'm just going to come here, open all the windows like this for the different books that are here, and now we can see all of them. The good thing about this niche is that for the people who are publishing books there, they are making money. It's not that kind of niche where you have some monopoly that are making so much money and then other people are publishing books and they are not making money. That's not the case here. That is why it is a very good niche for any beginner to start. And now if you come here, remember I've always told you that when you see red, then it means that it's so saturated. But you see that there are so many greens here showing that the search volume is so high. And mind you, I'm recording this video in January where sales has actually dropped. But if you can still see that the search volume is this high, it means that it's a very good niche. So let's just come here and choose any of them. So you can see search volume here, you can see competition here. So let's just go ahead and click here. So when we click there, it's going to bring the individual books that are in this niche. You can look at them and you'll see the daily sales for each of them. You can see the monthly sales. So I'm interested in this one that says 4,000. So this is the book right here. Let's just go ahead and click here. And this is how you do your research to be able to see the books that are actually selling well, so that when you are creating a book, you create a book that is high quality. The good thing is that this one is actually bestseller, right? So one thing that I always like to do is that I look at the title, how the person have their title and the subtitle. I like to also look here so that I can see the samples of the book. So we can see here, and then we'll see how the sample is. You see how they have this dot here, just so that the child can draw. This is so amazing. I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. And now if you come down this way, you'll also be able to see their A+ content. This is one key thing that I will always tell you that you should make. If you don't know how to do A+ content, I already have a video that I've done showing you exactly how to do it. And even your description, I have a video that I've already done showing you how to write your description. So if you look here, you can see how their description is. These are the things that make your book high quality. And so now when we look at it, we can just go through and look at whatever thing that we want to look. We can go to the reviews, see what people are saying about the book. Every good thing we take it so that we'll be able to put in our own book. Every negative review, guess what you will do? You are going to take that review and make use of it, because you'll be able to fix that review in your own book. That is how you are going to make a higher quality for your own book. Now when we come here, I like to just come to the author's page just to see their other books and see how they are doing. They are actually doing an amazing job. Overcomers, if you want to flourish in this year 2025, you need to look at things like this and also copy them. Not just copy, make yours better. You can see their branding immediately. This is what I talk about all the time. When you see books doing very well, it's because they have taken their time to brand. So in order for you to do well, you have to learn to brand your books. Now when we go down just like this, you can just see I love it. It is so amazing what they are doing. Anyway, you can just take your time and check this niche just to see what they are doing, and it is so amazing. And it's not as if they have too many books, so this is something that you can make yours even better. So now that we have had an idea, let me go now and show you how easily we are able to create this book. So I just want you to go to ChatGPT. If you don't have an account, go ahead and go to OpenAI and create an account. Then now I'm going to put this prompt down below. You can just copy it and paste. Here I'm saying that ChatGPT should give us 50 objects that we can use for a book like that, and I'm just going to click like this. So ChatGPT is going to write all these objects for us. This is what ChatGPT has given us, different objects. This is so amazing what AI can do for us. We don't need to think. You don't even need to bother yourself to understand what you are doing, right? You just need to know what to tell AI, and AI is going to do it for us. So we have our 50 words right here. You can see you have these ones that have been divided into fruit and vegetables. We have animals here. We have nature here. We didn't even tell ChatGPT to do this for us, but ChatGPT is so smart to create something like this. So the next thing that I want you to do, I have another prompt that I'm going to put down below. This is a prompt here. It's for ChatGPT to create another prompt that we are going to use to be able to generate these things. So you can just go ahead and take any of them, look at them. Let's say, for example, I take this one that says banana, and I'm going to come here where I say object. I'm just going to change it and put banana. Everywhere that I see object, I'm just going to change it and put banana. So I have it there. Just copy the prompt, and then you can just change it. Go and take each item just like this and just change the object and put whatever thing that you are doing, and then you click enter. Now ChatGPT is going to go ahead and create that prompt for us. So now ChatGPT is going to go ahead and design it for us. So this is what ChatGPT has created for us. ChatGPT has created a banana for us just as we requested. So go ahead now and take each of them individually and do exactly the same thing. And ChatGPT is going to create it for you like this. So I'm using ChatGPT 4.0. You can go ahead and use Leonardo. You can use Midjourney. You can use any AI tool that you are comfortable with. I just want to simplify things. That's why I'm using ChatGPT here. So now when you are done, you just click here and then you download your image. So you do the same thing for all your images. So the next thing I want you to do now is to go to Canva. If you don't have an account, go ahead and create an account. It's a simple designing tool. Now just come here where it says create design, just like this. You are going to come here, it says custom size. You do this and you go ahead and put here 8.5 by 11, just like this. So when you put 8.5 by 11, it's going to create your template here. It's going to create this space for you. So what I want you to do is to come here where it says upload, and then you come here to upload. Go ahead and upload your file, your banana that you had downloaded. So just go ahead and take your banana that you had downloaded, and then you are going to upload it here. Another thing that you can do is that you can also just come here, hold the banana like that, and then drag it and drop it. So I'm showing you two ways so that you'll be able to do it. Now when you drag it and drop it like this, then the banana is going to appear here. So what I want you to do now is to just come here, click on the banana like this, and then you are going to have it here, just like this. Expand it however you want it to be, based on the type of person. If it's for young children, then you are going to make it bigger. If it's for older kids, you are going to make it smaller. Now I'm just going to come here to edit, and I want to first of all remove the background so that we'll make it white. Now I like how everything looks. So now that we have the banana here, I just want you to come here and copy it and duplicate it so that you have two bananas like this, exactly the same size. Now make sure you follow step by step so that you don't miss any step. Now that we have the banana here, I'm just going to shift one on the side like this. Remember, it's exactly the same size. Now what I'm going to do is that I'm going to click on this one, and I'll come here to edit. I'll come here to where it says magic eraser. Now you can increase this if you want to. Now I'll start by deleting these three things here, just like this. And now another thing that I'm going to do, I'm just going to cut from any direction that I want, and I'm just going to erase it just like this. You can erase any length that you want, just like this. And now when you are done, you just stop and you come here, you click erase. It's going to erase that banana just like this. Now go back, and now you have the half banana here. So now go ahead and take this other banana that you had already kept here, bring it back and make it as if you are putting it back directly on top of the banana, just like this. The next thing I want you to do is to come here to transparent, bring it down so that you'll be able to see it, but it's going to be very light, just like this. Now what I want you to do is just to come here to element, take a circle like this, and then reduce the size of the circle. Now remember, It will be based on the kind of person that you are making it for. If it's for young children, then you make it bigger. Now just come here, change this circle and make it dark and make it as small as you want. Now what you have to do is just to take it now and put it on this banana just like this. So copy it. So just take your time and take it and put it on the banana just like this. Okay, do that until you have something like this. Now that you have this, what I want you to do now is just to go ahead and also put numbers by the side. So you come here just like this, you take your text, you take this, you put 1, you just make it as small as possible. Now you just copy this other one and then paste it like this, just so that you keep it consistent. Now the next one you put 2. You do it throughout until you have it just like this. Now you also go ahead and put it in the middle. So you can see that you can sell these single pages to people who have homeschools. You can sell these single pages on Etsy. You can now go ahead and take all those other things that I showed you and create your entire book. How many people are going to do this, overcomers? Because they are not willing to do it, you who is willing to do it, you are going to easily stand out. That is why books like this, they sell very well, because you have to take your time to be able to create it. And when you do this, you can take this same book that you've created just like this, change the title into different languages and build multiple streams of income from this one book. So you can take this same book and translate it into different languages. So I'm telling you this secret because our goal this year is to flourish. So overcomers, I want you to go ahead and put in the comment section that this is my year to flourish. So now that you've done everything and the book is ready, now you just have to go ahead and delete the other banana and see what we have done. Just look at it. This is how easily you can create your dot to dot. Another secret that I can show you, if you look in detail, you will see that this corner is looking half in a kind of way. To fix that, you can just come here to element, right? Go ahead and take a shape like this, and then you can reduce it just like this. So you turn it like this, and then of course you change the color to black. So let's go ahead and change the color to black. Now you can take this shape just like this, and then you are going to put it here. So you see that it covers that part and nobody can know that that's what you did. And now you can see you create a high quality dot to dot book. And overcomers, go ahead and do all of this. So you just go ahead and put it like this. You name it banana. You go ahead and name it banana just like this. You go ahead and do the one for pig, and go ahead and do all of them just like this. So when you are done with everything, you have your entire book, or the number of pages that you want. You also create another page like this. You bring it up, put this page belong to right here. Now you can go ahead and put any decoration that you want. You can put something like this book belong to, and now you have your pages just like this. Now the next thing that I want you to do is to come here to where it says share, go to download, and then you go ahead. Now you have all the pages of your book. You go ahead and just click here. You come here, you make sure you change this PNG. You make sure you take PDF print because that's the highest quality. And now here, if you have the paid subscription of Canva, you make sure you are taking this one, best for professional use. Another thing that I want you to do is to come here where it says flatten PDF. You click here. The reason why you are doing that is so that nobody can take this book that you have created and then change things there. When you have that flattened PDF there, nobody can make any changes on your book. That is a secret that you should always do on all your books before you publish them on Amazon or anywhere in the internet. Now, when you have done all of that, you have your settings like that. You go ahead now and you download your book. Now that you've downloaded your book, now the next thing is for you to go ahead and create your cover. In order for you to create your cover, I've already created this step-by-step guide that you can go ahead and follow that book, and it's going to show you everything you need to know to be able to create high-quality covers just like mine. So if you are struggling in any area or there's something that you've not understood, go ahead and put a question down below, and I'm going to check the description box if you want to have one-on-one with me, or if you have any question, you can go ahead and contact me from down below. So I'm going to see you in the next video.
It's been a while since we laid down to reflect upon